Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be showing you how I make these succulent barbecue chicken. So stick around and I hope you will enjoy the video. So here are my seasonings that I will be blending. I have some scallion and thyme. I have some onion, garlic, peppercorns, and ginger. And once I add everything to my blender, I added about 2 tablespoons of oil and about 2 tablespoons of water, and then I'm just going to blend. And here I have my seasonings. I have onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, oregano, paprika, chicken seasoning, and all-purpose seasoning. And here I have my chicken that was already cleaned and washed. So now I'm just going to be adding in my seasonings. I will add the full recipe down below. And once my seasoning was evenly distributed, now I'm going to be adding in my green seasoning blend because we want this chicken to be juicy and well seasoned. And once I seasoned everything, then I'm going to allow the chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours. And once it was about 2 hours, and now it's time for me to bake the chicken. So I'm going to be placing the chicken pieces in my baking pan, and I did preheat my oven at 210 degrees Celsius. All right, now that we're placing our chicken in, I'm going to be covering my baking pan for at least the first 20 minutes to lock in all that juice and moisture. And after about 20 minutes, guys, this is how it was looking. Look at that. So you see it produces all its natural juices. So we want the chicken to be moist. So that's why I cover my baking pan once I'm baking chicken or doing barbecue chicken. Now I'm going to be turning over the pieces, and then we're going to bake it for another 20 minutes. Now moving on to my sauce. So I'm going to be sauteing some garlic, scallion and thyme in my sauce pot. And these are the ingredients that I'm using for my sauce. I have some lime juice, jerk barbecue sauce, regular barbecue sauce, chicken seasoning, and ketchup. Here I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of the original barbecue sauce, and around 3 tablespoons of the jerk barbecue sauce. Next, I'm adding in about 2 teaspoons of lime juice, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then we're just going to mix everything thoroughly. Next, I'm adding in about a teaspoon of this ginger powder. Now I'm going to be adding everything to my saucepan. We're going to allow this to simmer on low heat for at least 5 minutes. Here I'm adding in about half cup of the liquid from our baked chicken. Yes guys, remember it's making its own liquid once the pan is covered. So I did remove about half cup of that liquid and add it to our sauce because we want to lock in all that flavor. And once I mixed everything thoroughly, then I'm just going to allow it to simmer for 5 minutes before we start basting our chicken. And here I was adding in about 2 teaspoons of my all-purpose seasoning just to flavor the sauce, and about 1 teaspoon of the chicken seasoning. And just to get the sauce a bit darker, I did add about 2 teaspoons of browning, and then I'm going to allow the sauce to reduce before we add it to our chicken. And once I baste this side of the chicken, then I'm going to allow it to bake for another 10 minutes. And then we're going to flip the chickens over, baste it again, and allow it to bake for another 10 minutes. And this is how they were looking so far, guys. They were pretty much done. They were so tender, and the aroma was so beautiful that I was getting from the chicken. Guys, if you're this far in the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. So once all the pieces were basted with the sauce, we're going to bake for the final 10 minutes. I think overall it took 1 hour and 10 minutes to bake this barbecue chicken. And this was it, guys. Once it was all done, it was so delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Until next time, bye.